Use these tips for successful stock market investing. Familiarizing yourself with the stock market can be a great way to make some extra cash on the side or even create a primary source of income. Many people have heard others advise to buy low and sell high, but there are many other tips. Watch this video for some ways on how to play the stock market to your advantage. Keep in mind that investing is a business, not a hobby. You're doing this to make money, not for fun. Anytime you're doing something regarding your investments, whether it's getting a magazine subscription or investing in a new stock, you need to sit down and ask yourself whether it's going to help you make money, or if you'll lose money from it. If you are investing in a stock, be aware of potential changes and prepare for them. The stock market is like a roller coaster, always going up and down, and it is crucial that you are prepared for this to happen. If you feel like you need to know more about these changes, do your research on the internet. Prior to investing in a stock, you need to understand what a stock is. Otherwise, you could end up making crucial mistakes. A stock, also known as a share, basically entails a part of company. Therefore, when you buy a stock, you are buying a small part of a company. Remember to rebalance your portfolio. Rebalancing can be done on a quarterly or annual basis. Monthly rebalancing is not usually recommended. By periodically rebalancing your portfolio, you can, not only weed out losses, but also make sure that yields from winners are reinvested in other sectors that will eventually hit their growth phase. Learning how to invest some money in the stock market can be a great way to supplement any income. Profits from investments can provide savings for a rainy day fund, or a consistent way to make money. Remember the tips in this video, so that you can start using the stock market today. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.